Hi guys, my name is Neza and today I will show you how to complete the Blockly Games maze. First, just if you want to do this, just go to Google and search Blockly Games and it will show you and then click maze. So, level 1, stack a couple of move forward blocks together to help me reach the goal. So, I should stack move forward blocks with each of these. So, move forward blocks. Then move forward. So it would move forward, then move forward, which to do one move forward is half of the journey, and the other one is the other half. So let's do the next level. Let me just do it again. Next level. So now it is to move forward until here, then it will turn left. So move forward, then turn left, right? Then you move forward again. So it will move forward, turn left, then move forward, then I should turn right, then move forward again. So it will just move forward, turn left, move forward, turn move forward. I hope you understood. Then next level. So move forward. But now I only have one block left. As you can see here, one block left. So I can't just stack move forward. So this means repeat. So it will repeat until the destination, which is this, and it's right here. So it will repeat, move forward and move forward and move forward until it reaches the destination. So it repeats and repeats and repeats and repeats. Right, next level. Now this is again move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. So repeat until there. So it will move forward. So it will move forward, then turn left, then move forward, then turn right, then move forward, then turn left. So it will repeat. So it will move forward, turn left, then move forward, then turn right. So it will repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat. So it will move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, turn right. So it will just repeat until the destination. So now the next one, it will move forward. So now this is a trick question, a trick level. So it will move forward. First of all, it will move forward and move forward. So when move forward and move forward, you can't put it in the repeat block, because if you do that, just go and hit the wall. So we can, and also by the way, you can choose a player here. So I can be a panda and I can be an astronaut. So I'm just gonna stick with an astronaut for now. So if I just move forward and move forward and move forward, to just fall off, right? So I have to remove this move forward. So it will move forward first, then it will move forward repeatedly. So it will move forward, turn left. So it will move forward, turn left, and then move forward repeatedly until it's here. So move forward, turn left, then move forward repeatedly until it is here. Understood this one? Yes. Now, if, so it means if the path to the left, it will move to the, okay, so if, then repeat. So let's do both of those. So let's put the if path to the left. Wait, should it actually be that? No, it should be move forward. So it will move forward. It will repeatedly move forward. Then it will sense that if path to the left, it will turn left, then move forward. There. So it will search if the path to the left. If there is, it will turn left and move forward. So it will turn left, sense, then it will see, then it will move forward. It's looking. Now it looks, it sees, it moves forward, it sees, then it moves forward. Okay, so now we are at level 7. So now it is way more complicated here. So now you should let me look at it. move forward. Then if path is ahead, okay, if path is ahead, move forward. If path is to the left, then turn. Is it okay? It's supposed to be right, then right again, then okay. It should be right. So if path is the right, turn right, then for this move forward. No, it should be turn right. Hmm, very confusing. If path to the right, remove this, turn right. Yes, move forward. Perfect. So now, if path ahead, it will look, it will search. So if path ahead, if path to the right, if path ahead, path to the right. So it searches and looks it is a path. But if this was path, if this was to the right, if this was to the left, it would have gone into one of these things and then crash. Okay, so that we're done with level 8.
He's done.
Let's see. So if path to the left, so if path ahead, first of all, let's put the repeat block. Okay, so if path ahead, move forward. If path to the right, if path to the right, turn right. If path to the right, turn right. If path to the left, let's put the if path to the left, not right, left. Turn left. Let's see. It just searches and searches, then goes more forward, sense, forward, sense, forward, sense, forward, sense. Then it looks, you see, it's just looking with this Wi-Fi signals, I guess. Moves forward, moves forward, it moves forward. So as you can clearly see, it's gonna go and see if it's there, and then it will turn to that side. So now this is way more complicated. Let's see. So it will move forward. Yes, perfect. I needed this. So if path ahead, it will move forward. First of all, repeat block as always. So it will move forward. Else, if path to the left, turn left. And also if path to the right, turn right. Right. Let's see now. So it's sensing and sensing and sensing and sensing. Because now, look, since the ahead is the first one, so it will look for the ahead first. But if it was left, if that was left and then this was ahead, then let me just switch. It would not work because even the placement matters. You see, it just goes forward, then it's stuck. So the placement of the blocks must matters, like the arrangement. Let's put it right back, the left. Okay, let's just make it finish real quick. Let it go, let it go. It's gonna sense, move forward, sense, move forward, sense, move forward. Sense. So now this is the hardest level in this maze, level 10. So let's see. Can you solve this complicated maze? You see, even the Blockly Games even knows that it is the hardest. Advanced programmers only. You know that I'm a learner, so let's see if I can do it. I've completed it because, of course, research is always the key. So let's see if path ahead. So this one, let's just try it and see. If path ahead, so first repeat block as always. Then I think it's supposed to be this one. Then if path ahead, move forward. Else if path to the if path to the left, if path to the left, turn left, and path to the right. If path to the right, turn right. Let's see. This has a very high chance that it will not work. Okay. So as you can clearly see, it has not worked. So maybe we should change the placement, right? Let's try that. Move it, then ahead. Let's see. Now you see it will not work again. So this one, I think it's quite complicated, but I think I'm able to do it. I'll have to research a little bit. Then now let's do to the right. Research, then let's do to the right. So it should be to the left, and so it should be to the left. Okay. Let's see. Now you see it doesn't work. So this one I have to research. So I found the solution and this is what it is. So move forward. So move forward. Then if path ahead, do it senses again if path ahead, turn right. Then else, what else? If path to the left, turn left. Even I don't understand this. So if path to the left, turn left, else turn right. Let's just see if it works.
He's done.
So it's not working for some reason. Let me check. Let's see. Okay, let's make sure. Okay, let's see now. Maybe it will work. Yes, so it's working. It's getting really close. Yes, we did it. All right. I hope it helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.